Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss about the air sense per hour, how to calculate it in the HVAC system clean room. Always the clean room should be a defined amount of air senses per hour. So how to calculate is a matter of discussion today. Measure the air flow velocity of the inlet of HEPA by this means by uh, anemometer anemometer by anemometer and filter right from 6 inches distance of the face. This is filter and from this filter 6 inches distance from this points filter face. The anemometer is set to count the air flow velocity. And now suppose the velocity is v meter per second. So now the point of discussion is to identify the air of the area of air inlet by multiplying the length and width of HEPA filter. This is the inlet, that means HEPA filter inlet, width and length. This is the area of the HEPA filter. Area equal to length into width. Now we can calculate the total volume of air passed into the room by using the formula A into P. That means area of HEPA filter out inlet and then into P by velocity of total volume. Total volume equal to area and velocity meter per second, and this is converted to meter per minute by multiplying 60 and then again multiplying 60 to convert it meter per hour. Then calculate the total volume of the room by multiplying the length of the room, breadth or width of the room, and the height of the room and of the manufacturing facilities, height, width and length multiplication. Then total air senses per hour can be obtained by the formula air senses per hour can be total volume of the room divided by total volume of inlet air per hour. Total volume of inlet air per hour. This can be obtained from this point per hour and total volume of the room. So thanks today. See you next with another important videos for you. So subscribe me to learn about next videos. Thanks.